In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a polished presentation in Canva from start to finish. We'll move at a comfortable pace so you can follow along and feel confident designing a presentation you'll be proud to share. First, open Canva. Once you're on the home page, look for Create a Design and select Presentation. This sets the correct canvas size and layout for slides, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. Next, you'll choose how to start. If you want complete control, pick a blank presentation. If you prefer a head start with coordinated fonts and colors, select a template that suits your topic. Templates are a great way to save time and keep everything looking cohesive. Click into a slide to begin editing. Double-click on any text to type your own content. You can adjust font size, color, and alignment right above the canvas. For images or shapes, just click them and use the corner handles to resize or rotate. If an image isn't working, replace it by dragging another image onto the placeholder and it will snap into place. When you're ready to add more content, click plus. Add page. This creates a new slide that you can fill in. Keep an eye on consistency as you go. Using similar headings and spacing across slides will make your presentation look more professional. To change the slide's look, adjust the background. You can use the background option for textures and images, or pick solid colors from the Colors section. Stick with a simple palette that supports your message, and remember to maintain contrast so text stays readable. Enhance your slides with elements from the left panel. Search for icons, images, and charts to illustrate key points. Drag them onto your slide and position them thoughtfully. Aim for balance. Leave breathing room, align items neatly, and avoid clutter so your audience can focus on what matters. If you want movement, use Animate from the top toolbar. You can animate entire slides or specific elements. Subtle animations can add energy, but keep them consistent and purposeful so they don't distract from your content. Before wrapping up, preview your work by clicking play in the top right. This full screen view helps you catch spacing issues, typos, or transitions that feel too fast. When you're satisfied, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Standard for a clean static file that's great for sharing or printing, or select MP4 if you included animations and want a video version that plays automatically. Download your file and you're done. That's it. Your Canva presentation is ready to share. Thanks for watching and happy designing.